This is our 1994 Mitsubishi Pajero Exceed. The Exceed trim is one of the higher trim level options for this SUV. This is the turbo diesel engine option. It's the 4M40 turbo diesel, and a newer generation for what we can get here in the US. They moved up from a 2.5 liter to a 2.8 liter and also gave it an intercooler, so a little bit more power there. Much easier driving on US highways. It's the same engine that comes in the new generation Delica as well. This one has a super clean exterior, no major scratches or dents or anything. The paint's in really good shape. Cleaned up very nicely. This one has brand new tires all around. We have some mud terrains on here. Moving to the inside, this one has 212,000 kilometers on the odometer, so that's around 130,000 miles. It's an automatic with the Super-Select transfer case, so you can flip into four-wheel drive at any speed under around 60 kilometers an hour. Dash is in good shape. All these gauges work up here. Air conditioning blows cold. Down here you have your automatic transmission, your power mode, and then your hold mode. Cigarette lighter. You also have your suspension adjustment, so you can adjust between soft, medium, hard for your suspension stiffness. Seats are in good shape. You get armrests up in the front seat. Yeah, this thing runs great. Go ahead and start it up. It starts right up. Currently the tachometer is not working, but we're going to fix that soon. The Exceed trim also gets the giant panoramic sunroof in the center of everything. There's your back seat, also clean, no stains or anything. All looks good. Go ahead and shut it off. So yeah, you've got your armrests here along the side with cup holders. Also your center armrest. And then here's the rear heat and AC controls. And in the very back here, we've got here's a sunshade. You can see the equivalent on the side windows here. It fell off of the back window. We're going to leave it along with the car, but it looks fine without it. But yeah, you have your third row seats that fold up out of the way like so and fold down in the way like so. A quick view of the underside. Looks clean under here. A little bit of surface rust, but nothing that isn't expected for a 25-year-old car. It looks very good under there. And you have your factory fog lights up here. You can see the little Mitsubishi emblem in the center of those. So yeah, that is our 1994 Mitsubishi Pajero. We actually have a couple of these. This one is the slightly lower trim level, but same engine, same color even. Yeah, and we've got another Pajero over there. Quite a few options on the lot right now. Go ahead, head to our website, check out everything, jdmcarandmotorcycle.com.